Hey guys, so Joe Rogan has been talking about creating his own meme coin, I think 5 times on his own podcast. And here are a few segments.
But if Matt, let's say we do a JRE coin and the JRE coin is worth $3 billion and we decide, okay, we're going to take some of that money and not sell the coin, but use it as collateral for a loan to build a $2 million new studio.
And here is another bullish fact is that he actually followed this X account, which is Solana Mobile. Basically here you can see Joe Rogan is now following you. And actually, if you go on Joe Rogan followers, you will see that he actually followed him. This is not a fake post. And why this is bullish is because we all know, or most of the people know, that Solana is the meme coin chain. Trump, Melania created their meme coins on Solana. That's why I think there is a great possibility that if he creates a meme coin, he will create on Solana as well. And I will show you the best tools, the fastest way you can get, you can be ready and in front of 99.9% of people that will be buying. So you are buying before everyone else. And this is a fact. I will show you the best tools. First tool is free. Now, why I would recommend you to go on this app, and this is invite only. The invite link is in the description and in the comment section. Now, why this is the superior app is because you will, for example, see Joe Rogan posting on his X account the contract address, the meme coin, and what you will do, you will copy the contract address and you will, for example, paste in your Phantom wallet or on some exchange or Jupiter on Radium or whatever. Now, why this is a bad way to buy is because when you buy on Phantom wallet, and I will show you why this app is superior. When you buy on Phantom wallet, you cannot edit your fees, and on this platform, which is called BullX, you can actually set your own priority fees, slippage, and buy bribe. Now, what this means is when people are buying with Phantom Wallet on Jupiter or Radium or exchanges, they cannot edit this, which means that if hundreds of thousands of people are buying, and this will happen if Kanye West drops or whoever or some celebrity that's huge drops a coin, hundreds of thousands of people will be starting to buy. And what happens is Solana usually gets so congested that you cannot buy fast on Phantom Wallet or on Jupiter or Radium. Your swaps get failed. The transactions are slow. The transactions could get even fails. They will not go through. And that's what happened with me when I tried to buy Melania coin. I spent around 15 minutes trying to buy. So there were thousands of smart people that bought before me. Now, why this platform is superior is because here you can see you can edit your own gas fees. Now, for example, I can set this even to 1 Solana, which means this is like the so high gas fee, you don't even how to put it this high. But for example, 0.05 Solana, and you are already in front of 99.999% of the people that will be buying. And you can also set this buy bribe, which will make your transaction even faster. You can set your own slippage limit to higher, so you can get your transaction through. So these are basically the main features if you are competing or there are influencers or superstars creating their contract addresses. This will make you fast because again, if there are thousands, hundreds of thousands of people buying, the Solana chain can get congested. The BullX platform don't get congested because you are just buying, you are basically setting your own gas fees. Now, the second thing what I want to show you is this. For example, there are many people that are, for example, following Joe Rogan to get a meme coin. But what happens is they are not, for example, doing this, like refreshing his page. And what will happen is they will just stumble upon Joe Rogan 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or even 15, 20 minutes after he posted the contract address, or you will see from another influencer or account that he posted something, and you will be already 5 minutes, 15, 20 minutes late, which is already 10x opportunity. That's why what you could do and what I'm doing personally is here. Now, this will be a premium feature. So $9 a month, I mean, everyone can afford that, in my opinion. And this is the thing. You go on the Xpro, it will open you a specific page, which is the alpha of this video. Other than Bullex, Bullex is the second alpha. This is the first alpha. You basically open the Xpro. Here you will see I have created my own lists. For example, I have accounts that are talking about main crypto news. I have accounts that are talking about meme coins. So these are the lists. And you can create your own lists or basically copy and paste other people's lists. So I have many like Solana influencers, and here is the alpha. Here you will see, let's wait until it loads up. So here you can see I am following Dave Portnoy, which is basically the most prolific, the most hyped meme coin creator as of lately, as of the last few days. He has been creating meme coins almost every day. I am following Kanye West because he is also basically teasing a new meme coin. I am following Coinbase because this is the Coinbase listing account. They are announcing if they are listing something new. So again, why this is important is because these lists are updating themselves automatically. You don't have to refresh, you don't have to scroll, you don't have to click to renew or refresh. It will basically, when Kanye West tweets something, it will show up automatically. So here you can see everything is updating automatically. I am following, for example, like 2,000 people. That's why you see seconds ago they are posting something and it is updating automatically. And this goes for all of the lists. So how you can add a list is add column, go to lists, create new list. Now you will call this Joe or whatever. Now you will have to add members. So here, just write Joe Rogan. And it will show you Joe Rogan. You add it to the list. And for example, you are creating some meme coin list. You can add more people, search, and just create bigger lists. But for this one, I want Joe Rogan only because this is important. There is a high chance, in my opinion, that he will list something or create a meme coin. So right now, we have the Joe Rogan list. It will, again, update automatically. And this, similar to Bullex, will get you ahead in front of hundreds of thousands of people because 99.999% of people are not using this. They don't even know about this unless they are watching this video. So these two tools are the most important tools that you want to use. Now this is $10 a month, I think. But Bullex is free. And Bullex, again, gives you that opportunity that you can buy fast, buy one of the first people that buy this coin. And one more feature about this. And first of all, I will show you how you can actually start. The invite link is in the description. This is invite only. Now you will press the invite link. It will show you the Telegram because you can log in through Telegram in this application, which is much safer than any other social media. That's how it works. So you will log in, you will see this page, and you basically ignore this page. This doesn't matter for this video. You go on this sidebar, you will see your wallet manager. Now you will be able to add funds. Here you add funds and you will have your default wallet. You can also create new wallets, but how you can basically send money to this account is add funds. Here is your wallet address, you copy. And if you have funds, some Solana, and send only Solana here. If you have Solana on Phantom or Binance or Coinbase or whatever, just send Solana to this address that you will copy. And you will basically withdraw to this address from Binance, Phantom or Coinbase or Kraken, Bybit, whatever. And that's how you fund your wallet. Now, again, I will show you one more tool. You can actually track wallets right here. So for example, there are many people that are, maybe they are creating coin before it is even before they post on X. For example, Dave Portnoy. This is the Dave Portnoy's main wallet. And how you can find his wallet is here. You go on call scan. This is the page. Here you can see all the latest transactions for the professional meme coin traders. These are the biggest meme coin traders. So you can follow, you can basically copy and paste all of these wallets. And how you can do it is, for example, let's search Dave Portnoy. Here you can see all his holdings. What you want to do is go here, copy his wallet address, go back to Bullex, add wallet, enter name Dave, enter wallet, and add wallet. Now I already have added the wallet. So why this is huge is because here you can see these are the latest transactions. Here you can see only 4 days. I mean, 4 days ago he did the last transaction. Here you can see everything that he's holding. The biggest holding for him is Jail Stool. He bought 779,000. He already sold 123,000, and he has remaining 717. They are Greed 2, Greed 1. Now he has been teasing Greed 3 for the last few days. That's why, again, if the Greed 3 shows up in his wallet, I will be the first one, even if he's not posting on his Twitter. That's why, again, use this tool as well, and this is free. Invite link is in comment section and in the description. I just show you how you can track wallets. Now, this is one more great tool on this application is Twitter Tracker. Now, they are basically, right now, I think they are tracking just some random people that are talking about crypto here and there. But soon, it seems like we will be able to follow specific people. And I think this Bullex will be much faster than X itself, because X, sometimes it gets delayed. So you will be able to follow specific accounts and just set your alarms right here, the sound alarms. So you will hear when someone is posting, for example, Joe Rogan or Kanye West, a new meme coin or just a contract address. And again, if you want to track more wallets, because there are smart people that are buying coins before everyone else, you can go on call scan. Here you can see, for example, these are the latest transactions. You can go to leaderboard to check, for example, the biggest traders. Here you can see Frank made 1 million in the last month. Today, West made 54,000, Leans made 18,000. So people are making thousands of dollars on BullX. Because most of these people are using BullX, because BullX is the fastest platform. And I just show you how easy it is. Every dummy can use this application. They can create a list on Xpro, on Twitter Pro. Yeah, that's it. And best part is that you can track every celebrity, every influencer. If you hear a rumors about someone creating a coin, you can do this to everyone. You can have your BullX open. And you can basically go on this search bar and just wait. For example, someone, I don't know, says that he will drop coin in few hours or at a specific time. You can just wait here, then go paste, buy. You have your priority fees, your gas fees set up. You will be one of the first ones that will buy, because you will be buying in the first seconds. That's why, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you'll not miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.